Today I will explain about how can you record the attendance while conducting the Zoom classes. And this will be helpful for taking the online classes, for taking the attendance of the students, and this will also be helpful for the webinars when we are conducting or FDPs, so that we can have the data of the participants, those who have attended the sessions. We can also have the advantage that not only we are getting the information regarding the participants, we will get the information regarding the duration of time, and also the participants, how much time they have spent it, like that, and the participants, those who have attended. All this information we will get by just having a one click in the Zoom. Let's go into the matter. First, just open the Google and just enter into the, just sign in into the Zoom. Just open your Zoom sign in. And this is the home page of the Zoom. You can see here, this is my Zoom home page, on which just click the meetings. Under the meetings, just when you highlight in the meetings, then under the meetings you are having upcoming, previous, personal room, and the meeting templates. Just click the previous. That means which the whatever the session that was completed. For example, today I'm explaining whatever the classes today we have conducted. See, these are the various sessions we have conducted, of which for your explanation, I will go with the one class which was taken between the 8 to 9 a.m. today. Suppose if we want the information regarding the today's session or the today's class attendance, how many number of participants they have attended and how much duration they have be in the class. For this information I will give you, just click this, the microbiology class. Just click this, whatever the session that was happened, the previous session. See, this is the session regarding the details. Now coming about, see, on the left hand side you are having, under the personal you are having the profile and admin. Leave the personal, the profile, and coming to the second one is about under the admin. Under the admin you are having about user management, room management, account management, and advanced. Out of these four, just go through the third one, that is about the account management. Just click the account management. Under the account management, you are having about account profile, account settings, by billing, record management, time management, and reports. Just out of all these, we want the reports. That means we want the report of the attendance, those who have attended. Therefore, just click the reports. See, just I am clicking the reports. When I'm clicking the reports, see, this was highlighted. See, the reports was highlighted. You can see here on the left hand side under the admin. See, next coming about under the reports, when I am clicked, you are having the data regarding the either the usage reports or about the user activity reports. Just go into the usage reports. See, usage reports. Under the usage reports, you are getting not only the attendance, you are getting about the information, so much of information you are getting from the Zoom. Like for under the reports, by clicking the reports, you will get their information regarding the daily activities, what are the various sessions were, the new users, meetings, participants, meeting minutes in the month, everything you will get the information by clicking this daily. And coming to the second one is about active host. That means if you want to check the view meetings, the number of participants and the meeting minutes within a specified time range, everything, whatever like the attendance and all these things, you can get the information from this active host. Coming to the inactive host, they show the users those who are not active during a period. And the upcoming events and the meetings, cloud recordings, and the remote. These are the various information that we will get by from the reports under the usage reports, of which our focus is mostly on the attendance of the either the students or about the participants, those who have attended the webinars or FTPs or whatever it may be. Just click this active host. Just click this active host. Then you will get the information regarding the today's session by the meetings. You can see these are the various sessions that were conducted at the different timings, of which suppose I am taking an example of the first class. You can see how much information we are getting. We are getting about the topic, the meeting ID, username, user mail ID, and the creation time, when it was created, and the starting time of the session and the ending time of the session, and also the duration of the minutes of the session, how much time it was conducted, and the number of participants and the source. See, for this session, 59 students or the 59 students were attended to my class. So you can see is about these are the 59 students. See, this was highlighted one. You can see here, whenever I'm touching this one, here it is getting highlighted. Just click this, the highlighted the number of participants. See, this is the thing. How can you get the information? See, these are the various information regarding the participants, those who have attended the classes, or the number of participants, those who have attended the various sessions. See, the information we can get about the name of the student or the participant, and their mail ID, and their joining time, and their leaving time also. Okay, suppose and the duration in minutes. Okay, this much information we are getting, the so much of information. And one more other point I want to say is about, suppose a student or a participant, he or she was joined and he left. Again, if they again join, again we will get the information. Okay, we will get the information again. That means again, see, if you can see about, see, roll number 34, they joined and they left. Okay, that means they spent only the 2 minutes, but again, because of maybe the internet problem, or because whatever may be the reason, again if they left and again if they entered, again we will get the information like this. See, this is the information that we are getting. Okay, how many times they left and how many times they will join, we will get the information of each and every participant or each and every student, so that we can have the not only the attendance, we will get also the information regarding the student or the participant, how much time they are spending during the session. Okay, along with this information, we are having under the meeting participants, we are having the 2 points that export with the meeting data. Along with the student information, suppose if you want the details of the session also, just click this thing. Okay, just click this export with the meeting data, you can see. And we will, along with the student details, we are also getting the session details like the meeting ID, the duration minutes, and the participant, the topic, starting time, and the ending time, and their user mail ID. Okay, this is like this, we will get the information. And suppose if we want to show only the show unique ICs, then just click the show unique ICs. Then you will get about the just only the name of the student and their mail ID and the total duration of time. Here we are not getting about the how much time, at what time they entered and what time they left, like that. Okay, here we are showing only about the unique users. Based upon your interest, you can go with the either with the complete meeting data, or about if you want to consolidate the data, you can go with the show unique users. Okay, when we get this complete information, we want this information to be downloaded out to the export. Just on the right hand side, you can see at the top corner you are having about the export. Just click this export. When we click this export, simply the whole meeting participants, the data was downloaded here. You can see this is the information where you can download it, and under the folders you can show this is the participant list. Okay, from this you can get the data. Okay, this is the information. I think that this will be helpful for you to get the information regarding the student attendance from the reports of the account management. We'll get the complete details of the students or the participants either in the online classes or in the various sessions like the webinars and the FDPs, so that we can know how much duration of time they have attended, along with their starting time and ending time and the number of participants. Every information will be getting just by conducting the online classes. This is one of the asset point under the Zoom. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.